Dear God, please bless us with good health and good cheer. Dear God, bless us with lots of strength that we could sail through this difficult time which has come. Dear God, please bless our country, our countrymen, our friends, our relatives, our grandparents, our parents, and bless our lives that we could smile and we could smile in this odd situation. Amen. So, yes, it is a wow and a wonderful Wednesday for all of us, being the 21st of October 2020. And I deem it an honor and a pleasure. And I am really happy to invite our worthy principal ma'am who has joined us to address all of us. We are indeed thankful to you, worthy principal ma'am, for sparing out your precious time, and you are here with us today, this wonderful Wednesday morning. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's over to you, please.
Good morning, my beloved students. Good morning to all the great teachers who have made so much possible for these youngsters. और एक प्रेम भरा नमस्कार और सत श्री अकाल उन सभी पेरेंट्स के लिए जिन्होंने आज ज्वाइन किया है। बहुत खुशी होती है जब माँ बाप बच्चों के माता पिता स्कूल के साथ खड़े हो जाते हैं। दोनों का मकसद तो एक ही है ना, मकसद है कि ये जो बच्चे हैं कहीं कहीं जब ये थोड़ा गैर जिम्मेदार बिहेवियर करते हैं, नॉन रिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर जब कहीं हो जाता है, तो वहाँ पे पेरेंट्स का भी साथ है और स्कूल का भी साथ है। हम दोनों यही चाहते हैं, द स्कूल एंड द होम, that the children perform very very well in this the last 2 years of the school. You know, there's a saying which goes on that if we work very, very hard in the first 25 years of our life, we'll be having wonderful years in the next 75 years of our life. And in those 25 years of our life, if we work very, very hard for the first 18 years of our life, 20 years of our life, then it's fabulous. In 25 years, we complete our education, and then another phase of our life begins when we start working somewhere. So thank you dear parents for joining us. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप लोग आए हैं, अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठे हुए हैं। जिनके पेरेंट्स नहीं आ पाए कोई बात नहीं, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि बच्चे शेयर करेंगे कि आज की क्या बातचीत हुई। My beloved students, back in January, when you were preparing for your board examinations, grade 10, whether it was ICSE board or the CBSE board, or for that reason, any other board, any other state, a Punjab School Education Board, little did you visualize that in grade 11 you would not be going physically to a school. नहीं सोचा था, आपने नहीं सोचा था, हमने भी नहीं सोचा था. You know, this is the most difficult time, they keep saying on. But the sky has not fallen. We are living, we are alive. And we are working. We are working to gain this knowledge as such. So it's all right. A pandemic is the first time I'm experiencing in my life. This pandemic is the first time you as little boys and girls, young boys and girls experience. And this pandemic is the first time when apart from the parents, the grandparents are also experiencing for the first time. First time ऐसे रास्ते पे चलना जो कभी नहीं चले हों, मुश्किल तो होता है, पर मंजिल तो पहुंच जाते हैं ना सभी हम लोग, अगर हम उस रास्ते पे चलते रहें. देखा हुआ पहचाना हुआ रास्ता आसान होता है, बेफिक्री से चल पड़ते हैं। लेकिन दिस टाइम, इस वक्त, we have to make sure that we travel this path with lots of responsibility, lots of concern, and lots of carefulness, and then we move ahead. बड़े सपने लेके बच्चों ने सोचा होगा कि we'll be going to Kamala Nehru Public School. Oh, we'll be having great fun. We have heard so much about that school. School known for activities, school known for academics, school known for international connections. But then, today, this school is known for remote learning. हिंदुस्तान में सब जानते हैं कमला नेहरू पब्लिक स्कूल को कि कितना अच्छे से उनकी रिमोट लर्निंग क्लासेस चल रही हैं. Internationally, people know because a story has been published on Kamala Nehru Public School by Microsoft as a role model school which is catering to 65 villages where remote learning is going on right from kindergarten to grade 12. I am not here to blow trumpets, but apna school hai, khushi to hoti hai na. You think about the best schools in the neighborhood in Jalandhar, Phagwara, other places. They don't have classes going on to this extent. Education तो एक सीढ़ी की तरह होता है, you know, from one level to the next higher and to the next higher and so on. बीच में कोई सीढ़ी खत्म हो जाती है या एक नेकलेस का कोई मोती निकल जाए तो मुश्किल हो जाता है. So it's so good we are continuing with this academic excellence which is happening. और सारा का सारा श्रेय मैं पेरेंट्स को देती हूँ जिन्होंने अपने बच्चों को मोटिवेट किया है, who have joined us. And all the teachers who have been working 24/7 to prepare these lessons and teach. It didn't happen overnight, my boys and girls. January में, December 19 में जब China में problem आई, we put our heads together and decided if we have to go for remote learning. Planning. We deliberated in the month of January. Our teachers are coming about, you know, half an hour early. Every morning we would plan, how do we go about? How do we take it forward? And then actually lots of training happened, mock sessions happened, and ultimately on 2nd April, we started for grade 12, and then another week's time, and we started for 11th, and all of that. Overnight nahi hua tha. It took January, February, March, and December, half of it. 4 mahine lage the to have what we are having now. Why am I discussing? मैं इसलिए डिस्कस कर रही हूं कि प्लानिंग जिंदगी में कामयाबी का पहला कदम और आखिरी कदम होता है. अगर आप अच्छी प्लानिंग करेंगे तो आप ग्रेड 11 से you'll move to grade 12. Otherwise, it would be very, very difficult, children. Don't, please, I am not here to create a sort of fear or something like that. But असलियत से वाकफ कराना मेरी जिम्मेवारी है. अगर आप पढ़ेंगे नहीं और क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करेंगे और ये एज्यूम कर लेंगे कि ये स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन है और ये भी एज्यूम कर लेंगे कि पैंडेमिक चल रहा है तो हर बच्चा 11वीं का 12वीं में चला जाएगा, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा मेरे बच्चों. हम चाहते हैं कि जो आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, whatever you have been studying, the way you have been studying, you continue, please. You are our children. Every human being needs reminder. मैं सिर्फ याद दिलाने आई हूँ. I've just come here to tell you, my boys and girls, you need to work very hard. मैं सिर्फ पेरेंट्स से हाथ जोड़ के विनती करने आई हूँ कि आप बच्चों का घर में ध्यान रखिए. हम स्कूल में रिमोट लर्निंग में ध्यान रख रहे हैं. बच्चे गलती करेंगे, भूल जाएंगे, नहीं आएंगे रिमोट लर्निंग में, लेकिन हम सब ने मिलकर उनको लेके आना है. लेकिन अफसोस तो यही है कि मेरे बच्चे बड़े कब होंगे. ये 17 साल के हो गए हैं, कोई 16 साल का है, किसी को शायद 18वां साल भी चढ़ गया हो. ये कब बड़े होंगे, कब ये अपनी पढ़ाई की जिम्मेवारी खुद लेंगे. There's something which is known as self-regulation. ये बाकी स्कूल तो से 7 months तक लगा है. आप थोड़ा लेट अगर ज्वाइन करें हैं, कुछ ने मार्च में ज्वाइन किया था, अप्रैल में बिगनिंग में. You spent good 6 months in the school, and 6 months you have honed your IT skills. IT skills आपकी definitely बढ़ोतरी हुई है उसमें. You have learned how to, the communication skills, listening to your teachers, how beautifully they communicate. You have learned to collaborate. You have learned all these. So why can't we? These are the 21st century skills. आने वाले समय में जो बहुत important skill है वो self regulation भी है. Communication skills are important, collaborative skills are important, but self regulation is very important. अपनी कामयाबी के लिए खुद जिम्मेवार होना. माँ बाप ना कहें कि पढ़ लो, टीचर्स ना कहें कि पढ़ लो, और बच्चे इतने रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो जाएं कि दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर ओन सक्सेस.